Welcome back to the channel. Many of you have still not received the final Arcade Insider email for the Google Cloud Arcade Cohort 2, and many of you are still asking. So this is how the Insider email looks like. In case you haven't checked your spam section, promotion section, and update section, make sure to check the mails over there. If you are still unable to find, do one thing. What you can do, you can first of all investigate that whether you are subscribed to the arcade or not. Like if I just show you this form. This form was disabled on 1st of January. So if you have filled by 31st of January, then you will surely receive the email. Okay. Then in this case, like if you are unable to see the mail, you have checked all the section, you have contacted the support, how you can get the email. If you are eligible, like you subscribed, then you have to simply email to the support team. That is support. Let me just type it. Wait a second. Support at the rate of qwiklabs.com. You can remove the space over here and you have to just email to the support team that just share them your profile, public profile. Okay, public profile you have to share, public profile URL. And if you are a part of facilitator program, the bonus points email which you have received, you can share that also. Or if you have received any insider email on 9th of December, okay, on 9th of December, if you have received any email, you can just share that I have received the insider email, but I have not received the final insider email. Please provide me this final insider email. You have to mail to this email, right? You have to mail to this email. Now, this is for the people who have not received the actual insider email. But there are some people who have received the insider email and got lesser points. For example, you calculated 95 points, but in email, it shows 75, 65, etc. So here you need to make sure some important points that you have followed this, like whether you participated in the facilitator program or not. You have to check out, okay, you have to check out whether you are a participant of the facilitator program. You registered from 4th of August or not, okay, in the program you got bonus points or not. You have to check it. You cannot trust any random calculator which is showing you 75 points. You have to calculate all yourself. Once you confirm that you are a participant, you have received the bonus email, okay, and then you can just move ahead to the next step, that you have completed skill badges or achieved the milestone or not. So see, actually if you have achieved any of the milestone, like you achieved the ultimate milestone, then you must have got 25 bonus points email. That means you have completed the lab, skill badges, all the things. So you are eligible for the prizes. But due to some technical glitch, maybe it happened that you may not get the prize email, like prize email and the insider email. In that case, come above, mail your mail to the support team. Here again, share the facilitator bonus points email, whatever you have received, and just tell them you cannot share them official official, not unofficial calculators. Like you can just calculate yourself using the simple method which I have shared over here. Like here is the method, you can clearly see, like all these level games give one arcade point, trivia games will give one arcade point, skill badges give one arcade point. Similarly, for the facilitator program, if you participated, you must have received the email. So you have to share the email screenshot to the team and they will investigate and update you. And hurry up, submit this all this before 14th of November, even as soon as possible, because once a prize email is out, you can do nothing. Even though if you have 95 points and in the mail it shows 30 points, then you won't be able to do anything. So better just reach out to them and get this issue fixed as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a great day.